Okay, now now we will see how to build the parser, that is LR of 0 parser, using the LR of 0 parsing table. Okay, in the previous video we have seen how to construct LR of 0 parsing table. Okay, so now see here, these are the items I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I6. Okay, so A, B, and then there are the terminals dollar you have to add and then go to. Okay, so I have taken the grammar. Now what is the output? I have to get a parser as the output. Okay, so first of all you have to take one string. You take string which is given by the this grammar, which is given by this grammar. Okay, so that you can take your own string. Now take a empty stack. You have to start from I0. Okay, so what is always, this is the starting pointer. What is I0 on A? S3. S3 means what? You have to push A3 into the stack. So 0 A3. Okay, what is the operation I have to perform? Shift operation. Then A B dollar. Okay, so I am shifting from the pointer from here to here, that I have to push. Second, now what is the top of the stack? It is 3. Okay, it is 3. So 3, what is 3 on A? So 3 on A, it is S3. Okay, so now update this stack. 0 A3. So what is I3, sorry, 3 on A? It is S3, means you have to push A3. Why? Because A3 you have to push A3. You have to push into the stack. Now you have to shift the pointer like this. Okay, now what is 3 on B? Top of the stack 3, B is input pointer. So what is 3 on B? It is S4. Okay, it means we have to push B4. 0 A 3 A. Okay, what I have to push? B4. Now shift the pointer A B like this, you have to push. Now what is 4 on B? It is 4 on B, it is R3. What is R3? A tends to B right here. So A tends to B. You take length is 1. I have to pop length into RH2. It means 2 into length equal to how much? 1, which is equal to 2. Two symbols I have to pop. Okay, so pop this. Okay, and you have to push this A into the stack. 0 A3 A3. What I have to push? I have to push A into the stack. Now reduce. Reduce means what? This is actually my output. A B dollar. Okay, actually you have to reduce previous symbol. Okay, what I'm telling, see, actually this is a pointer. Now I want to reduce this, reduce previous symbol. It means reduce B to the A. Now you have to see 3 on A. What is 3 on A? 3 on A, it is 6. That you have to write into the stack. Write in the stack 3 on A, which is equal to 6. So A, B, and then dollar. Okay. Now 6 on B. So what is 6 on B? It is R2. Reduce. What is R2? A tends to AA. What I want to reduce? A tends to A. You have to take length. Length equal to how much? 2. 2 into 2, which is equal to 4 symbols I have to pop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Push A into the stack. 0, A, 3. Okay. So what I have to push? This A into the stack. Again, what is 3 on A? So what is 3 on A? 3 on A, it is 6. That 6 you have to push into the stack. Now tell me what I want to reduce. Reduce AA. It means this is actual output. Reduce. Okay. Now string is A, B, dollar. Now again 6 on B. What is 6 on B? Again same. See the table. Okay. 6 on B is R2. What is a R2? A tends to AA. It means what? So A tends to AA. Take length equal to 2. 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. I have to reduce. Pop. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I have to push? 0. A push into the stack. Okay. So what is 0 on A? 0 on it is 2. 2, A, B, and then dollar. You have to reduce the tree. So which is A, and then this A to the that A. Okay. Now see, you have to write what is A on 2. Sorry. 1 second. Okay. So 0 on A, I have seen 2. Now 2 on B. What is 2 on B? 2 on B, it is S4. S4 means what? B4. Shift you have to perform. 0, A, 2, B4 you have to push into the stack. Now what is input string? A, B. You have to shift this pointer to the next one from B to the dollar. Okay. Now what is 4 on dollar? It is 4 on dollar. It is R3. Okay. What is R3? A tends to B, which is A tends to B. Take length, which is equal to 1, 2 ones 2. Pop two symbols 1, 2. Push A into the stack. 0, A, 2, A. Okay. This push A into the stack. Okay. Then reduce this B to the A. Okay. Now what is 2 on A? What is 2 on A? 2 on it is 5. Okay. 5 we have to push into the stack. Okay. So A, B, dollar. Now what is the top of this tag? 5. What is 5 on dollar? 5 on dollar, it is R1. What is R1? So this is, so S tends to A. Length you take 2. 2 into 2. 4 symbols I have to pop from the stack. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I have to push? Push S into the stack. So 0 S. Okay, now you reduce A to the S, which means this A to the S. Now what is 0 on S? 0 on S, it is 1. Okay, write 1 into the stack. A, B, dollar. So now what is the top of the stack? 1 on dollar. So what is 1 on dollar? It is accept. Write accept here. Now this is my output. Okay, this is my output. Okay, I'm writing here separately. A, B, dollar. First what we reduce? This to the A. Again this to the A. Okay, again this to the A. Again this to the A. Finally what? These both to the S. So this is called bottom up parser. Okay, so this is my output. So in this way you have to build the parser. Okay, see what we have seen. So in the example, so one is what? So for this example, first we have done go to and closure, next LR parsing table, finally LR parser. This is my actual output. Okay, so these three you have to do. Okay.